Welcome to SKU Science. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set the correct date format when uploading a file in SKU Science. The upload wizard will automatically try to detect dates in your file, and in most cases, it gets it right. Let's look at a few examples so you know what to expect and how to adjust the format if needed. Let's start with a simple case. First, click the gear icon, select Data Upload Wizard, and click the first upload option. Now select your file. The wizard analyzes your file, and in this example, detects dates in the file header. These are highlighted in green. By default, all date columns are selected, but you can unselect any column by simply clicking on it. Here, the date format is automatically detected. No further action needed. Another example where the dates are still in the header, but the format is month, day, year. You'll see dates like February, March, and April, and the tool correctly detects the format. So again, no need to change anything. Here's another variation, this time using day, month, year. Again, the wizard handles it without issue, picking the correct format from the list. Now let's look at a file where dates aren't in the header, but in a specific column, like when uploading an order book. The wizard will try to detect which column contains the dates. If it doesn't pick the right one, you can manually select it from the drop-down menu. You'll also choose the column that contains the quantities representing your historical demand. And again, make sure the date format is correct. For example, day, month, year. If needed, you can adjust it just like in the previous examples. And that's it. Now you've seen several ways to set and adjust date formats during file uploads. Whether your dates are in the header or a column, the tool gives you the flexibility to get it right. Thanks for watching.